Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Sunday and I'm going to do an unboxing video. But first, I need to roll the intro. Well, on the last shave that I did with the HC&C products, I decided I needed to make a purchase. And I did. You remember I've talked about this original base. I'm going to do a video coming up about this a little bit more, but I really like the idea of having an unscented soap, and you just have that one soap, and then you can get multiple scent oils, and this one just happens to be my favorite, which is Southern Comfort. I also have a shave stick, the old White Star of the Southern Comfort, and I looked around and I couldn't find it. It's probably over there by my other sink, but I've got some other little shave stuff over there, and I have one of the original White Star sticks that were round, and that was to compete with the Arco lineup. But anyway, let's get on to this, because that's what we're all here for. And I haven't sharpened my knife. I need to, and it's a shame that I haven't done it. I've just been a little lazy. So there we go. I'm not worried if you've seen my address for a shipping label, because if you did and you're a good person, you'd send me some stuff. Anyway, no, you wouldn't. Okay, so one of the airbags did not survive, but inside the box, I decided to get the actual soap that matches the Southern Comfort. And look at the label on that. Toby's coming in. And if you remember, I had made a bottle of my own Aftershave Splash, but this is the soap, so there's no mixing to it. And look at the pour on that. Oh, that is an excellent scent. I really enjoy it. And I figured while I was in there, I would order this, the Aftershave Splash. Now, the label on this is a little bit different, but that's okay. If you remember, I'd said muscle milk. Well, I had to pull out, and my memory is just not real good. I don't know why, but this is the James Bond version, and see here it says tiger milk, and if you see it, it's milky. Yeah, but I thought I had the soap in a tub for that, but I don't. I just have one of the bottles. So, and I can't remember what all I ordered. Oh yeah, so the other thing I ordered was, I ordered, as you can see here on the label, a second quality, which I don't mind. I don't mind if there's a little scratch or a whatever, but I decided I wanted to try the HC&C lather bowl. This shipment did come in very quickly from Pete over there at Hendrix and Classics. Thank you, Pete, for sending that out promptly. I think I might have placed that order Sunday night. Well, I've been holding on to it to do this video, but yeah, that bowl, it's going to work. And let's just see. Oh, you can put your whole tub in there. So that's nice. What else do I got in here? Oh, I just shoved that back in here. Oh, okay, here we go. Maybe my mind was not so crazy. This is the James Bond version of that soap that I thought that I had. And maybe I was just thinking I had it because I placed an order for it, but for the matching splash. And let's take a look at this one. Oh yeah, there you go. Pete's soaps have that unique tanness to it. It's a nice scent. I do like that there is a little side label, because when you've got them stacked up on your shelf, you can easily see what they are. That's nice. The shave bars, I do enjoy those. I need to come up with a way, something to put them in. What I did on this one is I just cut the foil off and went to town with it. And that is it that's in the box, other than the receipt. Let me just make sure I got everything in order. I know I did. Oh yes, perfect. So there you go. That's what I have for today, and I look forward to making some more videos for you. Sorry, no shave today. I may do one, but probably not on camera. I don't know. Maybe I will. Who knows? But there's an unboxing. Thank you, Pete, for sending that stuff out promptly. The website has changed, and I feel like it is much more manageable. I had an easy time making my purchase, and it was great. And I'm going to have to look through my HC&C category. Did I say category? Inventory. Look at the inventory of what I have, because I know there's a couple things that I do want to pick up in the near future. So, all right, that's the video. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.